kick things off at Princess Risborough. There goes 165038 to London Marylebone from Banbury. I took that train from the last stop, Hazelden Tame Parkway. Right, it's about to pass through. It's going to be 168106 running from Birmingham Moore Street to London Marylebone. Passing through now is 168111 going to Oxford from London Marylebone, Chiltern Railways. Right, here comes 168005 Chiltern Railways to Birmingham Moore Street from London Marylebone. Right, here comes the 1148 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Oxford, 168108. There's 165029 going to Aylesbury from London Marylebone. I'm filming from the shelters because we're in the middle of some sort of freak thunderstorm. That I think was 16828 to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moore Street. Here comes my train to take me out of Thunderstorm Princess Risborough to Banbury. 168216.